Exactly.
In residency, there is no life, and the fear factor being a foreign grad is so high. A Gora banda, the white person who is doing it, is totally at a different level. Gore to sometimes take time off and then they come back and they get the thing. Because there are three levels. As a chief resident, because I was a chief resident there, I used to interview all the potential candidates for residency. And the way we were trained to take the interviews, the fresh graduates within 5 years, they get the priority. And then after that, American grants. It's very hard to get into American school there. Then there is the people who are from islands. Then on the third number, there is immigrants from India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, and all other countries. So you're already on the third stage. And if you get the residency, you're too afraid that what if I miss this? What if I miss that? That was the biggest mistake which I made. What happens if you take break? Let's say if you get pregnant or disabled for some reason, God forbid you get injured, or some family member back home, mother, parents, siblings, anybody gets sick and you have to take time off, 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks, there is a time limit that you can take time off and you don't have to repeat the year of residency. But you may have to just fulfill that time period, and if you complete, let's say if you take 2 months off, you just have to finish after the residency, and then you can always extend your residency period. Nobody's you're there, so you can take time off. Once you're done with the residency, the life changes. Nowadays, your small practices are very difficult. It's very difficult for them to survive. They're incorporated by the bigger hospitals, and the insurances are not paying well. So it's very solo. I'm a solo practitioner. I don't work for the hospital, but I have to work in the hospital. So I have to pay certain dues to the hospital, and I have to buy my own malpractice. That's why I said I have to buy my own malpractice before I make my own salary. Lucky I am because my husband is interventional radiologist, so I have all this time and go and do the lectures and have this life. So he's working. Somebody has to work. But after that, once you have kids, it's up to you. If you're your own boss, just like here, you can manage your life. It's all about time management. You can just take a week off or you can take 2 weeks off, but you need a coverage to travel. So if you're your own boss, you can do that. But if you're working in a group practice, you need the coverage. So it all comes down to lifestyle versus how much money you need, how much money you want and desire. So it's your priorities. But life changes after residency and things get better, monetarily and in every single way. Your lifestyle gets better too. It's up to you what you want, what your priorities are, money versus lifestyle.
And what would you say would be the easiest fields for Pakistani graduates having done this to get to do, and I'm asking in context of any discrimination between Indian graduates and Pakistani